Welcome to Eric Blackman Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackman Guitar. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way that I know how to get started soloing on guitar. The guitar is tuned standard E-A-D-G-B-E. And what I'm going to do is show you how I got started playing solos. Back when I was learning how to play the guitar, there was nobody around to show me what to do, and there was certainly no YouTube. So all I could do was sit at the guitar and just experiment and try to figure out how to get my solos done. Now I'm going to show you some very easy and basic things on playing melodies on the guitar. Let's start with a G minor chord. Okay, so I've got here a G note, and I've got below that a G minor 7 chord. Now I'm going to talk as little about theory as I possibly can because I want more people to understand what I'm trying to show you. This is a G note right here, and this is G minor 7. Okay, now here I've got a C chord. That's C. Those three strings, the D, G, and B strings at fret 5. Okay, G minor 7 to C major. So if I play that, I've got this. That sounds a little bit like Evil Ways from Santana. That's G minor 7 to a C. So since I'm playing a G note here, I want to go to these two frets, 3rd fret and the 5th fret, and I'm going to pick melodies out of those notes on the A string, the D string, the G string, and the B string, and I can occasionally use this note here. Now that note is out of key, but I'm going to make that note work. Okay, basically I'm trying to show you how to come up with musical ideas based on a couple of frets. Okay, so we're going to go just like that, right? Just going 3 to 5, 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 back to 3. So, nice melody, right? So let's play those chords and just put some notes in there with those. All right, starting here. See that? Now we don't need a whole lot of notes to play a solo. If I just go to the G string and play on the 3rd fret and 5th fret while that's going on, I can go just like that. I can go in between it 3, 4, 5, chromatically walking up the neck, going back down, and I can do some bends like that. Now watch this. Now what it's really about is creating interesting phrases with as few notes as possible. So I want to go like that. And then I'll resolve on the G note here. Here's G, and here's G. And I can have a G up here. That's fret 8, right? So I want to resolve on one of those notes. So I'll go. See, back to my root. So let's move it to a different key. We can do the same thing everywhere on the guitar. We're going to go to A minor. We've got an A note here, A note here, A note at fret 10, that's on the B string, and an A note here. So we want to keep track of those root notes, right? So same thing, 5 to 7. Just as we did down here when we were in the key of G minor, we want to do the same thing here at fret 5. 5 to 7, 5 to 7, 5 to 7. Like that, right? And resolve on our roots. So we've got all these nice melodies we can play. Now we'll play the same chord group, which is A minor, to a D chord right here. And we'll try this in this key. 2, 3, 4. Now, we want to think about A minor and then D here, right? Well, since we have A minor here, we have C here. And that's our major key. C is our major key. A minor, our minor key, C, our major key. So if we go to C major and F major, we've got a progression in the key of C. And we can play the very same thing we played in A minor at fret 5 and fret 7. Watch this. Here's our chord progression. We're going to go to fret 5 and fret 7 and play. So we can play major or minor in the same key simply by using this method, okay? Now if I were playing in G minor, my major would have been here. And that's B flat. If we were playing in the key of B minor, I would have played here. my major key would have been D. And the same exact thing would work in any key that I played that in. Alright, I want you to experiment with this. Go to any 2 frets, play the minor, or play the major. And that works too. That's my easy way of playing solos on guitar. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.